Okay guys, now it's part 3 of the videos. So if you remember, we were talking about absolute referencing. In this case we have this 60 and I went here and it's C3 without putting the dollar signs, and what will happen when I hold this down is that the others turn into 0. Why? Because it created the relative referencing series. So here it's this one here, when I click here, so it's 0.25. When I move down, this 60 move down, there's here nothing, and Excel assumes nothing is 0. So it's C4, which is 0 times 0.25, and that's why I created zeros. And that's why here I want to go into the C3 and start typing F4 to create my absolute referencing for this cell here. So it will always continue multiplying by 60, and then I click enter. So now let's move the handle, copy and paste here, and now I have the time in minutes. Also, since we want it in feet per second, I'm gonna just take these two guys again and move them to the side to create. I want to put this distance in feet. We have 5,280 feet in a mile, so let's calculate this in feet. So it's equal, so let's put the conversion factor here, 5280, and I'm gonna change the color just to, because this number is my conversion factor here. So I have here 65 miles. I want to change it into feet, so I'm gonna put here 5280 times 65. You can see here I'm just referencing, and this guy here I want it to be absolute, so I type here, and now that's in feet, and now I can calculate my values in feet per second. So it's this guy here, equal feet divided by seconds, and I go down here. And that's the meaning, guys, of the word absolute and relative referencing. To point to a cell, it's very useful to deal with data and all numbers in Excel in an easy way, and also we've learned how to copy and paste functions. So this is the explanation of this part here of how to edit a cell, how to create a formula, and how to drag this formula handle to fill a table. You can see here it's easy, and we can make use of lots of Excel functions and Excel. When they created Excel, they tried to be smart. Let me show what I mean here. Sometimes Excel tries to figure out what you want to do, so it will help you do it. So what do you mean by that? It will try to figure out what type of data you're using, and it will try to outsmart it. For example, just to show you how I can use the fill handle and this smart Excel to create a calendar. So let's create a calendar of your week, and I want you to do this as well. I want to see this on Wednesday, guys. So let's first start with the days of the week. Usually days of the week are the columns, and the times of the day are the rows. We usually start with Monday. And here comes the Excel that tries to help us being smart. So the Monday, yeah, that's days of the week, so probably he's gonna type Tuesday. So Excel can help us. So if I take this handle here, and notice here it gives me a hint. Do you want to put Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday? And it will keep going on. But let's just do 1 week here. So this is what we call here the autofill. The autofill, Excel tries to figure out what you want to do. And here let's put the time. So I'm gonna just to give you some ideas what we'll be doing in this class. So let's say I'm gonna merge in center, merging two cells together. So this is the time. And here let's put 8. When I put here a column, the computer will assume, look here in the formula bar, it's assumed that it's 8 a.m. The computer here tries to use the military timing. And also again, if I drag it down, till you want to go till probably 6 o'clock. So this is 8, 9, 10, and so on. Let's make it from 2. So we start here from 8 to 9. Again, the computer will assume that it's 9 a.m. Once I put this kind of column, it's assuming that's time. Sometimes it assumes wrong, and you have to fix that. And also, let's drag. And now we have created, you can see how simple I did in a second. I was able to create a number of cells, and I created now a calendar. So on this, for example, here we have our ENGR111 software tools. Okay, let's wrap this text, put it in one cell. I'm going to learn more about this later in other videos. So this is probably everything I want to say today about relative and absolute referencing. I'm going to do more exercise about this throughout the week, and if you have any questions, go ahead and write it in the comments or just come and ask me. And I wish you all a great time, and see you soon, and have a great day. Bye bye.